Umalma po ang mga kolehiyo at universidad. May negatibong epektong dala raw ang mga reforma sa International Student Program sa Canada. Pero ang ilang immigration consultant sang-ayon sa hakbang na ito ng gobyerno. May report si Paula Saraza.
I don't think we know this, but they contribute significantly to our economy.
Posible raw makasama sa reputasyon ng Canada ang desisyon ng Ottawa na paghihigpit sa International Student Program. Ito ngayon ang hinaing ng mga universidad at mga kolehiyo. 10% ang ibabawas sa bilang ng mga tatanggaping international students sa bansa na nagbabayad ng higit doble o tripleng tuition kumpara sa domestic students.
Just in 2022, they contributed $37.3 billion in terms of tuition, in terms of accommodations and other costs. And that's actually 1.2% of all of Canada's GDP comes just from international students.
Pangamba naman ng Colleges and Institute Canada, pangmatagalang negatibong epektong dala ng restriksyon sa post-graduation work permit, lalo't hindi umano nilinaw kung ano-anong sektor o field of study ang mananatiling eligible sa PGWP.
That's not fair to students who might be applying or considering Canada. And that's not fair to the communities also that are, many of them, who are looking to have new home builders come in, new healthcare providers, nurses, and a variety of different roles, which now are in question. And this will mean that many of the shortages that Canada is experiencing across the country may get worse.
Malaking bahagi raw ang international student enrollees sa budget na nagpapatakbo sa mga institusyon, kabilang ang mga programa at kurso kung saan apektado rin ang pag-aaral ng mga domestic student.
What this turns into is there's going to be fewer offerings for domestic students as international students help support programs and help support many of the activities that our colleges provide those students. And this is across the country.
Malaking adjustment man para sa mga institusyon, naniniwala ang ilang immigration consultants. Ito ang kinakailangan ng bansa ngayon.
These measures that Canada is taking for, to restrict international students, it's basically to protect, everybody, not just the locals, not just the Canadians, not just the PRs, even even the temporary residents or the aspiring international students. They don't want you to embrace something that you eventually cannot handle.
Magiging epektibong paraan din umano ang mga ipatutupad na restrictions para salain ang mga makatotohanang aplikasyon at mas maging handa ang mga aplikante sakaling nais pa rin maging international student sa Canada.
The Canadian government is helping you better prepare. Kasi nakikita ko doon sa mga post po, sasabihin nila, isa ako doon sa sumugal sa Canada, pero pauwi na ako in few months, pauwi na ako in few weeks. So, we will see reduced number of that. Kasi yung mga makakapasok are those who are really equipped to stay here longer.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.